We will be starting with the prescription audit. Objectives of today's prescription audit lecture is that, shall I wait for your silence to be there? So at the end of the session, students should be able to understand the steps of prescription audit, evaluate the given prescription and rewrite the correct prescription. So what is the most important thing in prescription audit as of today? आपको जाना है? जाओ वो देख लेंगे. Okay. So what is the importance of prescription auditing? Can anyone tell? आप बताएं. क्या है प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑडिटिंग की इंपॉर्टेंस? आपको क्या लगता है? व्हाट इट इज? क्या है? क्यों ऑडिट करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए? नेक्स्ट खड़े हो. प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑडिट से क्या समझ में आता है? लास्ट में व्हाइट शर्ट. क्या है प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑडिट? क्या समझ में आता है उससे? कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, बिल्कुल चुप. अभी बोल रहे हो ना तो बोलो. अब बैठ जाओ. फ्रॉम दिस साइड आप बताएं. व्हाट इज प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑडिट? व्हाई इट इज डन? स्टोर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्रेस्क्रिप्शन. उसको स्टोर करके क्या करेंगे अपन? व्हाट यू विल डू एंड ऑफ द डे? हाँ, स्टोर इंफॉर्मेशन करके क्या करेंगे? ठीक है. वन इज टू कीप द रिकॉर्ड. ओके. लास्ट में, हाँ, जो बातें कर रहे हैं दोनों लास्ट में खड़े हो. हाँ, दोनों को ही कह रहा हूं. यस. हाँ, बताइए प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑडिट से आपको क्या समझ में आता है? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म प्रेस्क्रिप्शन ऑडिट? क्या चीज? So what we want to convey today is, see, first of all of you pay attention. Your practicing days will be different. This prescription is a legal entity. It is challengeable in court. So this prescription is not a simple document ki you have simply written. It has got its legal value. And if you don't want any court case against you any time in your life, then always write a good prescription, because this is one such document which is taken for seen in the courts कि भाई डॉक्टर साहब ने लिखा क्या है, क्या लिख के दिया उन्होंने. So this is something important, that it is a legal document and henceforth you should know its importance. So here we are today to understand the prescription audit and then evaluate the given prescription and then rewrite the correct prescription. So what do we see? That it is a part of holistic clinical audit. It is meant to improve patient care and outcomes through a systematic review of care against explicit criteria, and it focuses on evaluation of healthcare. बैठ जाइए. It focuses on evaluation of healthcare. In general, when you look at the world data, it has been seen that 50% of the medicines which are prescribed or dispensed or sold, they are inappropriate. 50% is a very big number. Out of two, one of the prescriptions जो है उनमें कहीं ना कहीं multiple faults हैं. Then prescription audits, they are useful in generating data on morbidity, which forms the basis for prescribing or preparing the list of essential medicine. Then clinical audits which are done primarily for patient care and safety. So when you are in a hospital setting where 1,000 patients are admitted, so there has to be a team which does prescription auditing. That in the hospital setting you have many junior residents, you have many senior residents, they are all in developmental phase. I mean to say that they do not know कि इसमें हम पॉलीफार्मेसी कर रहे हैं या हमारी क्या कमियां हैं. So whenever a prescription auditing expert, they are going to visit the place, they are going to take the prescription, they are going to see whether the prescription is appropriate or not, because once again, as I told you, this has got a legal value कि whatever prescription you are writing, it is challengeable in court. So do not think कि prescription writing we can give hey and way and the way we want. It is never the way you want, it is always the way the Government of India wants. So what do we see? The corrective and preventive actions, they are targeted towards reducing the medication errors by promoting legible, unambiguous and clear prescription and transcription practices. So this is from your previous knowledge. You know what are the parts of a prescription. It is superscription, inscription, subscription and transcription. So these are the silent points which you have to keep in your mind while doing your prescription auditing. What is the format of prescription? Correct or not? Then what are the parts of prescription? Anything is missing or not? Any abbreviations if they are written? Aim of treatment, whether you have seen that diagnosis is written or not. Then drugs that are appropriate for diagnosis. Drugs are appropriate or not for diagnosis. Again, it requires IQ. अगर आपने फार्माकोलॉजी पढ़ी नहीं है तो हाउ यू विल जस्टिफाई कि आपने कौन सी दवाई लिखी और क्या डायग्नोसिस है. कई बार डायग्नोसिस भी नहीं बन पाता है. सो इफ देयर इज नो डायग्नोसिस देन यू पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, बट इफ यू गिव अ कंफर्म डायग्नोसिस एंड देन यू गिव अ रॉन्ग ड्रग, सो यू आर एट फॉल्ट. देन देयर इज पॉलीफार्मेसी. सो यहां से खड़े हो बीच में से आप खड़े के बताए व्हाट इज पॉलीफार्मेसी. गर्ल सिटिंग ओवर हियर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. यस, आप स्टैंड अप. पॉलीफार्मेसी से क्या मतलब है? व्हाट इज पॉलीफार्मेसी? व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू गिव डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ द ड्रग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने एक पेंटोपराजोल दे दिया, दूसरा कोई ड्रग का कॉम्बिनेशन दे दिया, तो उसमें भी वो सॉल्ट है. दैट मीन्स यू आर गिविंग अलोन सॉल्ट एंड देन यू आर गिविंग अनदर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ड्रग विच कंटेन्स दैट सॉल्ट. सो मल्टीपल टाइम्स you are repeating the same drug. That is polypharmacy. Sit down. Then whether it is a generic or a brand drug, then irrational or contraindicated drugs which are being prescribed. So certain drugs are to be contraindicated in pregnancy as well as during the breastfeeding. So they are the drugs which should be restricted to while prescribing during the pregnancy and breastfeeding. So lot of noise. इसके बाद अब मैं बाहर निकालना शुरू करूंगा. I am just keeping my patience just because you people understand the topic. If I start putting you out and I dismiss the class, no one will be benefited. So keep silence. Then there is irrational combination, then rational prescription. So these are the multiple things which should come into your mind whenever you are seeing a case, as you will see right now also. Then there is dosage, the rational prescription. So rationality of a prescription you will learn when you are seeing n number of cases, because once you read then you forget, but when you see a case then you remember it for whole life. So you will become more and more rational when you are much more into the medical field. So then dosage strength, dose frequency, duration, these are all you have to check that whether they are correct or not. Then any drug interaction. So drug interaction is again important when you look overall into the case scenario, that we are not giving such drugs which are interacting and causing harm to the patient. So instruction to the patient have been given or not, or to the pharmacist they are clear or not, and rational, irrational prescription. So these are certain silent features, silent points you have to remember whenever you are seeing prescription. This is the prescription sample given by the NMC, that this should be the standard prescription sample, where you have a here registered medical practitioner's name and everything. Then you have the details of the patient name, address, and then here you have history, then chief complaint, examination, lab testing, all are to be written here, and here you have got the drug dose, their route, and number of days, and finally in the end you are going to have the stamp and the seal. So now you people, if the time comes, you may be having a e-prescription also, that is online you have to give a prescription. So already whatever you do, that will be digitally recorded. So therefore always follow the given format, do not give your own format, so that you don't land up in trouble. So when you do prescription audit, you find out that there is some data which is coming out. For example, these are the indicators, like indicator 1, OPD registration number mentioned or not. This is for identification of the patient. So you have patient 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just an example, for 5 patient you are finding out some data. That is that 3 patient they have given, while making the prescription, 3 patients were given the registration number. You recently might have read in paper about the wrong kidney being taken out. So these things are all malpractices which are done unintentionally. No one does it intentionally, but this happens. So you have to be very peculiar with each and every case which you are seeing. Okay. So what do we see? That 60% of prescription with the OPD registration number are present, because out of 3 में registration number लिखा हुआ है. Here you see that medicines they have been prescribed by generic names or not. So you see that only 2 cases it was prescribed. So 40% of the prescription they were correct as per the generic names. So this data which comes for all the patients admitted in the hospital, this is what the NABH, that is the National Accrediting Body for Hospitals, Joint Commission International, JCI, these are the hospital accrediting bodies. These bodies, they ask this kind of data from the hospital कि आपके patient की quality care कैसी है, what is the level of quality that you are giving services to your patients, and especially to the IPD, क्योंकि OPD वाला आप track कम कर पाते हो, so IPD आप अच्छे से track कर लेते हो. So these kind of data are good indicators for a good hospital, and then they give your NABH and JCI as well as other kind of accreditation benchmarks to the hospital. So for example, we do an exercise. Last में from that side खड़े हो, last खड़े होइए, last में, don't you sit at the last. Read it. हाँ, so prescription audit है ये. What do you find? इसमें क्या गलत लगता है आपको? First you have to find the mistake, and then you have to give a correct prescription. नहीं समझ में आया. Next. From this side आप बताओ. ओके. और फॉलो अप कब करना है ये नहीं है. और नेक्स्ट. और क्या चीज नहीं है इसमें? आप बताएं क्या है और क्या नहीं है? वो तो हो गया। पेशेंट डिटेल्स नहीं है। और रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर और साइन नहीं है, एड्रेस नहीं है। और ओके, इसमें जेनरिक कौन सा है और ब्रांड कौन सा है? कौन बताएगा? व्हाट इज टेल्मा? ब्रांड। ओके, एंड एम्लोडिपिन इज जेनरिक। ठीक है, और कोई? और कोई डेफिशिएंसी? चलो बैठो, sit down. So, format of the prescription is not correct. You have the parts of prescription, they are missing. Abbreviations are there. No one told about abbreviations. Abbreviations should not be there. Then there is overprescribing, polypharmacy. दो ड्रग दिए है, हाइपरटेंशन का पता नहीं है कि माइल्ड है, मॉडरेट है, सीवियर है, and you have given two drugs. Then there is, we can use initially one antihypertensive, then time is not mentioned, morning or evening, and then patient is not asked to review for 10 days. So these kind of things you have to see whenever you are doing a prescription auditing. So this is a quite proper prescription. It should be like this. So you will be given an exercise in your exam wherein you will be given such kind of incorrect prescription, and you have to identify the mistake, criticize it, and then write down the correct prescription. So 5 to 10 marks in the practical, we give this kind of a exercise. Then another is second, right in the middle, last row, middle benches में last row वाले खड़े हो, last में खड़े हो जाएं, start reading. So इसमें क्या है कमी? दो ड्रग्स के नाम है, क्या कमी है इसमें? Do you agree with the prescription? इतना देखोगे, इतना सोचोगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा? पेंटाप्राजोल देना चाहते हो या नहीं, पहले तो ये बताओ। काहे के लिए देते हैं पेंटाप्राजोल? तो इसमें कहीं एसिडिटी दिख रही है तो दे कि नहीं? नहीं। तो ये सब चीज आपको, आईक्यू आपको अपना डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. नो वन इज गोइंग टू स्पून फीड यू, नो वन इज गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट दिस इज करेक्ट, दिस इज रॉन्ग. वो आपको खुद को ही जजमेंटल होना पड़ेगा. वॉट यू हैव रेड, वॉट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ योर नॉलेज. और क्या कमी दिख रही है? नेक्स्ट. ठीक है, ओके. और बताओ नेक्स्ट. ओके. और वो इसमें प्रेस्क्रिप्शन में आप वो देखो काम की चीज, मतलब कहां ध्यान देना है. वो तो आपका प्रेस्क्रिप्शन में ऊपर आप छपा के रखोगे कि यस माय नेम इज दिस दिस एंड दैट दैट दैट, बट देन यू हैव टू सी व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग. नेक्स्ट. फॉलो अप का कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है, कब आना है कब जाना है। चलिए बैठिए, इधर से बताएं, लास्ट स्टैंड अप, आपको क्या समझ में आ रहा है इसमें? नेक्स्ट, रोसुवास क्या है? It is a brand or it is a generic name? So you have to be speaking, bhai. If you don't speak, you don't understand, so you don't speak. अभी हंसी मजाक करना है, then you all will speak. I personally believe that this is not the place for हंसी मजाक and joking. उसके लिए तो पूरी दुनिया आ गई है बाहर. But I unfortunately don't understand कि वो सब अंदर होता है और बाकी बाहर तो फिर क्या ही पढ़ते होंगे. So we will end over here. Put your brains and look into what is importance of prescription auditing. Okay.